Hi everybody, it's Rob Moffat. Guys, you know I don't usually put this mug in this video. Usually my videos are about you guys. It's I'm talking at you how to do something, how to, make money, save money, make things. Today the video is a little about me. So I thought I should put my face, my mug in the video. So don't run away. It won't be I won't be on that long. I won't be back in my other videos, but for this video I'm going to put my face in my video because I want to talk to you about me. It's been a rough year, but it's been a fantastic year. It's been a wonderful year. In the early part of the year, it wasn't so good. I was having the AFib, it was getting worse and worse with my heart, and I was going down, and I was becoming an invalid, and the heart was going super fast. I had to take the dog to my nephew to watch because I couldn't walk the dog. So I said, no, it's... Before the heart wasn't lasting as long, the episodes, but they were coming faster. I thought maybe eventually they would balance out and they would just go away, but they started going hours, half a day. So I had the operation, the ablation, and it was more difficult recovery than I was led to believe in my mind, not from the doctor, but from what I had read. But after several weeks, I felt better to exercise, and I've been trying to improve myself in every way, every single day. And every single day I've been getting better and better, feeling more wonderful, and I'm having a fantastic time. I can't tell you, if next year, if you guys feel half as good as I do this year, you're going to be fantastic. So I will wish you all the very best. Merry Christmas, number one. If you don't celebrate Christmas, happy Festivus. You're airing your grievances or whatever else you celebrate. I wish you the very, very best. It's going to be a wonderful year next year. I thought I'd talk a little bit about what's going to be going on with the channel next year and the directions I'm going to be headed in. First off, there's a few people, not many, that have been using the Amazon link to go in during the year to purchase whatever they purchase. And by using my link to enter Amazon, Amazon throws me a few pennies. Jeff Bezos throws me a few pennies, and it's, I think, less than $100 a month. But still, that adds up, and I can use it to buy different things to make YouTube videos. And it's just a way to let me know people are appreciating what I do. I don't have Patreon. I don't tell Jeff, but I would pay him to make YouTube videos. So I don't expect to make any money, but if I can, it helps. So I appreciate. I'll leave a link in this video down below the video in the description. It's a link to my page where all the things I bought on Amazon. But if you bookmark that link, in the future when you go to Amazon through that link, no matter what you buy, doesn't have to be on the page, they'll throw me a few pennies. So that's enough about that. We won't talk about it anymore. But I just thought I'd mention it. It's been helpful, and I appreciate it, and I hope people continue because it's helpful. No more commercials. Hey, Martha, come here. This guy's trying to make money on YouTube. We can't. No, no more talk about that. Next, talk about behind me in my living room. I say living room. I live in a one-bedroom apartment. It's all living room. I bought the $79 Intex Inflatable Explorer 2 kayak, and I wanted to make it into a little sailboat, and I was going to add D-rings to it to allow me to attach, but to use the glue you require like 70% humidity and 70-degree temperature, which is not something that ever happens in South Florida. So I said, let me just forget about adding D-rings, and I'll just use the attachment points the kayak has. So that's what I've been doing this week. I've been putting stuff together, and hopefully this week I'll take it to Lake Dumpwater. The people in the neighborhood get mad when I call it that. Lake Dumpwater, Florida. But yeah, I'll take it out to the lake, and we'll see what happens. If it doesn't work as a sailboat, the platform I've added, I think I can also make it into a rowboat, or put a floorboard in and make a stand-up paddleboard, inflatable, $79. That's amazing. It's a very good, fun little platform for making stuff besides just a kayak. and it fits in your. I've always wanted a sailboat that would fit in my apartment, and I could put in my car. You know, no fuss, no muss, low maintenance. So that's what's going to be happening the rest of this month. I'll be working on the kayak to take it sailing and do some videos, and then maybe a week clean up the apartment. And next year I'm not going to be making as many cooking videos or story videos because nobody watches. I love them to death, but nobody watches them. So I'll be making more videos about how to do stuff, do-it-yourself stuff, and some maybe book reviews of things that help people to make stuff. I was also thinking about making videos on how to save money because I'm the best in the world. I see other people have channels to do that, but I can beat them. But it's like teach people how to be a miser. It's just like I would like to learn myself how to make more money, not how to save more money. So I thought next year that's what I'll do. I'll do some research, interview some people, research, and maybe do book reviews of different things people can have a side hustle, something a part-time, low maintenance or passive income source of money, because that's the direction I want to go in, and I'll bring you guys along. We'll see what happens. So also, I don't know how many people watch these videos, but next year will be 2019, and even though I'm in Broward now, if I was still back in Miami where I was born from, my family would have been in Miami for 100 years because we came to Miami in 1919. So I'd like to go next year while I'm still around and use my knowledge of things that I know about in Miami to make some videos that to get some closure, to make videos about things from history and things that are interesting to me about Miami that not many people know about. And I think that would be fun for me. I don't know if it'd be fun for anybody else, but I'm thinking about that's one direction. Like I said, also the book reviews and interviews of how to make more money in low passive, low maintenance, not low passive, but passive, low maintenance income type of hustle jobs, side hustles. What else? Oh, and whatever floats my boat, whatever makes me interested and happy, that's what I'll be making a video on. So next year I'm going to be doing that. So guys, let's get a close look at the boat. I'll do a regular video of the parts in the future, but next week, hopefully if the weather is good, I'll be sailing it, and then I'll make a video show how I made it. But it's basically 2x3s, and the sail is just a drop cloth, 1x2 spars. The mast is a 2x2. I took a plane and cut the edges off. And there's some 1x2 reinforcement at the corners. I just use a jigsaw to cut slots in the 2x3s and put them together with the carriage bolts. And this is a very poorly made sail. I'm not sure how well this is going to go. The most important thing in a sailboat is a sail. If you have a very well designed sail, you can sail a cardboard box. The most important part of the sailboat is the sail, not the hull structure. And there's no curvature. There's no foil shape here. It would be good going downwind or even on a beam reach, but into the wind, I'm not sure how well this is going to go. And I'm really hoping I can go into the wind just a little bit with this. My lee board, I'm kind of proud. I just use a piece of tongue and groove pine, and I put an edge on the leading edge. I have a nice sharp edge. I'm thinking about rounding off the back to make more of a foil shape. And I have it like a slot that fits over the frame. And then this will allow me to adjust the lee board forward and aft to see where it is, the center of effort is in the boat. And I might even be able to sail without a rudder or a steering oar. And that's the other thing. I won't have a rudder. I'll just have a steering oar with the little gadget I made here. And since I have to carry a cushion, a life cushion, anyway, by the Coast Guard regulations, I just made 2 of them together in the seat. I tied them together. And there's a little foot brace. And there's rigging to allow me to lower the sail and raise it from sitting down. So the difficult part, there's only 4 attachments. I'm using these here to help to attach. And that's not going to give me enough attachment if there's much force on the sail. But it's only about 15 square feet. It's a very small sail. It also can be reefed by rolling up the boom. I also have a pipe cushion here, foam. This was a boo-boo. I was using a heat gun to heat up the wood, so when I put the glue on it, it wouldn't get cold right away. And the heat gun was too close to the boat, and it started getting a big bump, like it was getting mumps. I don't know. That wasn't so good. But we'll see what happens. If it doesn't sail well, I'll just put rig it up into a rowboat. I'll put a seat across and make a way I can row it, and put a platform down in the bottom where I can stand up and make it into a stand-up paddleboard. So that's what's happening, guys. I've been a little busy. It's going to take me 2 or 3 days just to clean up the house. And, all right, guys. That's enough. So that's what's coming. Hopefully next week we'll have the video of me out on Lake Dumpwater, and then next year continuing we'll have more episodes with the Intex, and like I said, some videos on how to make money, but low maintenance, passive income type things where you don't have to work a lot. I don't want to work hard anymore. I want to have fun. And also, last thing, I'm working on a self-improvement, reprogramming myself, how to think better and different and be happier and more physically active and just become a better person. I've come up with a way to help me motivate myself. I've not seen anybody else do it. It's still early. It's still early. But next year maybe I'll have something interesting that you won't find on YouTube anyplace else that can help a person become more motivated and happy in life, that I think is kind of interesting. Alright guys, I'm rambling here. It's a fun, exciting, interesting year. I hope you guys come back and enjoy my channel, and if you have anything you'd like me to do, like I said, nobody watches my cooking videos, even though I love them to death, and my story videos, so I like even more. But if you think of something I might be able to do that would interest you guys, the channel is I'm just trying to stay out of trouble. I'm just for you guys, you know. I mean, I could do anything, but alright guys, I'm rambling here. Alright, take care. It's been a wonderful year. Happy Merry Christmas, holiday season, and Happy New Year. Healthy, safe, wonderful New Year next year. Alright guys, see you out there.